Welcome to Crimson Nail. So you know that saying, what goes up must come down? Well, it's true in decor too. So all the Halloween decor that went up, now it's time, actually past time, to take it down. So today I'm going to do just that. And I decided I'd bring you guys along with me. Okay, so here's the plan. I know this is going to sound crazy, but I'm going to take everything out of the entertainment center and put it on the table and then go and take it out to a cart and then wheel it out to my shop because I can't actually carry the totes clear from the house out to the shop with all the weight loaded into them, if that makes sense. So then we'll move out to the shop and pack up the totes, although I'm not sure that'll actually be today. I think today's goal is just to get the Halloween decor down inside the house because my process kind of works where I want a day or two where the house is kind of empty and I can see the next holiday's decor, and then that'll strike some sort of inspiration for what I want to do this year, if that makes sense. So I'm not actually going to talk through the whole thing because that would make this ridiculously long. Now I am going to leave my candles in here because I'm not sure, I may use them in my Thanksgiving decor, but I am going to go ahead and turn them off to conserve battery. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started, play some music, and this will all probably be sped up. Now this will go outside, as will this guy, but I'm going to leave him up for now. I'm going to go ahead and pull my blankets off, but I will wash them before I store them. So I'm just going to throw them in my laundry room real quick. Now anything that's battery operated, like this phone right here and this pumpkin that light up, I will, there he goes.
Come with me to the grave.
See, I'm going to turn that off, but any of that kind of stuff I will take the batteries out of before I store. So I'm not sure exactly what my best plan of attack is. I think maybe set you guys up outside somehow so that then you can see the next step in the process. I'm not sure where we'll go from here, but basically, other than the big stuff, I have everything down and out of the entertainment center. So then we'll move on to the next room after I get this stuff taken out to the shop.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating.
phone battery died and I didn't know it. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.